Hey guys, it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and I am in Arkansas. I am so excited because I am at Lake Catherine State Park. As y'all know, I was here last year in the fall, and now I am back again here in the spring, and I'm so excited because I actually get to see the falls with the water, which is why I'm here. And I'm so excited to take y'all along this week's adventure. I'm gonna be exploring Lake Catherine State Park, and then I'm also going to Hot Springs, and I'm excited to take you along the adventure. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get set up. So I just got here. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I checked in. I'm about to go find my campsite. I picked a primitive site, so I'm curious to see what that's like. I like the idea of primitive camping, so actually excited to do that tonight. And it looks so beautiful. Something about just being outside makes me so happy. So let's go find the campsite, get all of that set up, and I don't think I'll have time to hike today, but tomorrow I will take y'all on a beautiful hike, and I'm so excited. This is the primitive campsite area, and I was just walking around to see all the sites. Let me show y'all. So there's this one right here by the road, which I might choose just because it's more flat. I don't know if y'all can see it, but then there's also this one right here, just a little closer to the parking lot. And I kind of like that it's in the middle. So I think this might be the one. So yeah, we're gonna set up the tent here pretty soon. It is a little chilly. Not a little, y'all, it's cold, but we're gonna make it. I think I like this spot. I love these trees everywhere. It's so beautiful. All right, let me go get the stuff and actually set up this tent. Hey guys, so I am making some dinner right now. About to have some ramen. I saw y'all were sleeping in a hammock. That looks pretty cool.
Have you ever tried it?
No. It's nice.
So much better than the ground.
Yeah, I'm sure. Just talking to some other campers who are staying in a hammock, which I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, about to have dinner and then gonna call it a night. I really love this. Like, something about being outdoors is just so beautiful. So this was a total fail because my stove just went off. I ran out of the gas, you guys, but I think I can still make this work. I'm gonna cover it up because the water did boil, so that's good. And I think this is still gonna work. I'm gonna finish eating, pack up, and get in my tent before it gets extremely cold. But thank you for sticking around. Hey guys, I am in the tent. It's dark in here. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm in here and it is cold outside, but I'm nice and warm. I'm gonna call it a night and I will see y'all in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and yeah, I do not want to get out of this comfy sleeping bag because it is 36 degrees outside. I'm about to get up and go hiking. Let's see what it looks like out there. So I packed up everything, my tent, and I'm about to drive to go check out the waterfall. I forgot I need to throw away some trash. And I'm a little worried that my GoPro is acting up. I don't know what happened earlier. The battery was low and it's actually not. Just need to throw away some trash real quick. So we're gonna try this again. I'm not sure what is going on with my GoPro, but it's so annoying because I want to take y'all along all the adventure this weekend. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna try this new battery. Hopefully this one works. Let's go check out the waterfall. Hey guys, so I made it to the trail. I am going to check out this beautiful waterfall. This park is actually known for this waterfall, so I'm super excited. I see water running already, so it's a good sign. Fingers crossed that it looks really pretty. I'm sure it looks pretty. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's a little chilly, but the sun is out and it's warming up, so I feel much better. I was moving kind of slow this morning, but I feel good. The waterfall and it's so beautiful. I am gonna try and make my way across over there so I can take some more photos, but it's beautiful. headed back to the car. This place is so beautiful. That waterfall is beautiful. And if it wasn't so cold outside, I would have put my feet in, but I'm also wearing pants. And I've just been cold since I've been here. So I was like, I'm not trying to get even more colder, but I'm sure later on throughout the day, it's supposed to warm up. So that will probably be nice, but your feet in that water. Yeah, I'm about to head back to my car. I'm actually headed to Hot Springs today. I'm staying at a really cute tree house and I can't wait to show y'all. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share it with your friends and your family.